If you are watching this video at the middle of the night, then probably this is the reason for your dark circle. Yes. So if you want to get rid of your panda eyes, then keep on watching. যদি তোমরা এই ভিডিওটা বাংলাতে দেখতে চাও তাহলে তোমরা আই বাটনে ক্লিক করো অথবা তোমরা ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে চেক করো, ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে আমি লিংক দিয়ে দিয়েছি এই ভিডিওটার। If you want to watch this video in Bengali, then click on the I button or you can check the description box below because in the description box I have provided the same video in Bengali. Recently I started getting dark circles and I think you can see right now I also have dark circles and most of the eye creams are expensive, so I tried some home remedies to get rid of my dark circles and I am using these remedies for almost 1 month and these remedies have gave me really good result, so I thought to share with you guys. So let's get started. In this video I'll share with you guys 2 packs and 1 DIY serum. You can use any one of these packs and if the pack 1 does not give you good result, then you can try the pack 2 and after using this pack you need to apply this DIY serum. So first I am going to share the pack number 1. So the pack number 1, you only need 2 things and trust me guys, this remedy is inexpensive and this is really effective. For this remedy, the first ingredient which is the most important ingredient of this remedy is haritaki or ink nut. You can use ink nut powder or you can use the whole ink nut, but if you are using the whole ink nut, then first you need to soak it in water and after soaking it for some hours, then you need to rub this whole ink nut in a stone and after rubbing it you will get a paste of it. And the second ingredient is green tea. You need to refrigerate this green tea for some time for the cooling effect and then mix this ink nut paste and green tea together and apply it under your eyes. Let this pack dry for some time and wash it off when the pack is 80% dry. Do not wait for when the pack is 100% dry because ink nut has woody texture. If it is 100% dry, then it will be hard for you to remove from your face. Ink nut has distinct smell and if you do not like this smell, then you can add some rose water into the paste to make this smell a little bit bearable. Use this remedy on alternative days and let me know in the comment section below if this remedy is working for you. And one more thing guys, if you are watching this video and you are getting some information from this video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All of these are free and if you do these 3 things, then it will motivate me to create such more contents for you guys. Now I am going to talk about the pack number 2. For this pack number 2, you will need curd, tomato puree, rice flour, coffee, green tea and potato juice. It will be better if you use green tea paste for this remedy, but if you are lazy like me, then you can just use green tea. You can keep curd and green tea in the refrigerator if you want some cooling effect under your eyes, and even you can use some pudina leaves. Now mix all of these ingredients together and apply under your eyes and wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. So this is the pack number 2. Now I am going to share with you guys my favorite DIY serum. For this DIY serum, you will need some cucumber juice or cucumber gel and aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel from plant or you can use store-bought aloe vera gel. And then you will need some almond oil and vitamin E capsule. Cucumber gel will provide cooling effect under your eyes. Aloe vera gel will brighten your under eye. Vitamin E capsule and almond oil help to whiten and brighten your under eye. To make this serum effective, do not skip any of these ingredients. Use this serum on everyday basis. It will be helpful if you use this serum at night. So the summary of this video is that you need to use any one of these packs and then you need to apply this DIY serum. use this pack on alternative days and use this serum at night on everyday basis. And let me know after 1 month of usage if any of these remedies are working on your dark circles. Before ending this video, I want to give you some tips to prevent dark circle. If you are watching TV or you are using computer for long time, then take a break and then take a ice cube and wrap it with a towel and use it to cold compress your under eye area. This will soothe your eyes and it will also helpful to relax your eyes. The second thing is sun exposure also causes dark circle. So when you are outside, do not forget to apply some sunscreen. This will help to prevent your dark circle. The third point is eye makeup can also cause dark circles. So before going to bed, do not forget to wash your eye makeup properly. Eye makeup can cause a wrinkle under your eyes. So this is really important, guys. Do not forget to wash your eye makeup before going to bed. And it is advisable that after washing your eye makeup, apply this serum that I have mentioned in this video. This will help to soothe your eyes and it will also prevent further dark circles. The last point is dehydration. If your body is dehydrated, then your under eye will also become dry and dehydrated. So you need to keep your body hydrated with lots of water and juice. If you do not like to drink normal water, then you can make water flavorful with some lemon and honey in it, or you can drink any fruit juice to keep your body and skin hydrated. One last advice that I want to give you guys is to sleep. Yes, sleep is the best friend of your skin. So sleep well, and sleeping will help you to get rid of dark circles also. That's it for today, guys, and let me know in the comment section below if this video is informative and helpful for you guys. Bye for now and stay healthy and keep smiling.